Hello guys, we have something entirely new for you guys, our TOUPEE unit. So I'm just going to be showing you guys how to install this. So no more bald head for the men. Right, so I wanted to kind of show you guys how this is been installed, and then I had to customize my mannequin head by myself. It took a couple of hours to get this entire thing done. So you can see from the left corner on the upper side of the screen, you can see all the toupees we've been producing. Not all actually, because sometimes you don't really get to take pictures of these things. So we've been producing this for over almost, I think, 2 years plus now, with toupees, and then we've been shipping them outside the country. So I was like, okay, fine, let me just start doing my adverts. Let me start posting on my wall, because at some point we were getting too many orders, so we had to stop posting, to reduce the number of orders we were getting. So now I think we can take more orders because we have more workers available to take your orders. Sorry. So this was how I did it. Sorry guys, I'm not good with clipper. This is actually my first time of using a clipper. I'm not good at all. I just decided to do something. This is actually my first time, but not really that bad. It came out quite okay, and the unit we are using here is about 10-12 millimeter waves. So but from the early videos you saw, you can see we have other waves from 4 millimeters to 20 something millimeters, whatever you want, even down to straight. We also produce the straight ones. Okay guys, so we have everything you need. We produce majorly lace wigs, lace toupees, but we also produce the skin based ones. So whatever you want, we have it available. We also have the one with mono and all manner of foundations. So yeah, but the lace toupee is very okay as well, because it's really breathable, and the lace material we use is high quality. So yeah guys, you can see me still using this clipper. This is the clipper I got from online, and yeah, somehow it got the job done. So I really wish the waves came out better than this, but man, I'm not a barber, I'm not a professional barber, so this is what I was able to achieve. And parting this hair open, you can see the scalp. It's really natural. So guys, thank you for watching. If you want to place your order, DM me.